Hello friends, today we will learn different cloud service models. We have PaaS, that is Platform as a Service, SaaS, that is Software as a Service, IaaS, that is Infrastructure as a Service. SaaS, Software as a Service. It is defined as a software distribution model in which applications are hosted by vendor or service provider and made available to customer over network. So basically we have softwares or application which are hosted by the vendor and it is consumed by consumer or customer. So there are different services which are provided by SaaS, Salesforce automation, word processing, CRM, mailing labels, blogs, emails, e-commerce, payroll, PDF conversions, marketing. So these are some of the services which are provided by SaaS service model. PaaS, Platform as a Service. It's a cloud service model that provides platform allowing customer to develop, run, manage, test and deploy their application without building and maintaining the infrastructure associated with development. So customer does not have to have their infrastructure with them. They just need to develop their application on the application development environment provided by vendor. This is called platform as a service. There are various services provided by PaaS service model, that is application development, decision support system, web development and streaming. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. It's a cloud service model that provides virtualized resources over the internet. It's a third party provider that hosts hardware, software, servers, storage, and other infrastructure components which are required to host the application as well as development environment. There are following services which are provided by IaaS, that is networking, system management, caching, and security. So let's take a look into these three different service models. So let's consider you don't have any service model deployed at your organization. So all the resources, networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, data and application, all these resources will be maintained either by your organization or third party vendors. So if you go for IaaS, infrastructure as a service, in this specific service model, resources, networking, storage, servers and virtualizations, these resources are maintained by vendor, and other resources like operating system, middleware, runtime, data and application, all these resources will be maintained by your organization. You just have infrastructure and on the top of that you build your environment, operating system and application and your data. So this is called a hosting of your application on the infrastructure provided by the vendor. Then we have PaaS, that is platform as a service. In this service model, resources like networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware and runtime are maintained by vendor, and application and data is maintained by your organization. So basically the vendor provides you the platform or you can say a development environment where customer can build their application, test their application and deploy the application. So this is basically a build. So next is SaaS, that is software as a service. In this service model, networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime and data, all these resources are maintained by vendors and only application is maintained by your organization. So this is SaaS, that is software as a service. So this is consume. So let's see who are the cloud service providers for these three different service models. So IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. So we have currently Amazon Web Services, Service, Appnext and Linode.com. These are the service providers for IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. Then for PaaS, platform as a service, we have Google App Enterprise, then Post.com, then Windows Azure. These are the three or some of the vendors which provide platform as a service model. There's software as a service model. We have Basecamp, Quicken, then Google Azure, Workday, and Salesforce.com. So these are the service provider for SaaS. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave your comments on YouTube comment section. Thank you.